नमस्कार वेलकम टू ओडिया ब्लॉग्स विथ शुक्ला। हैदराबाद विजिट्र सबुठारु बेस्ट प्लेस रामोजी फिल्म स्टूडियो थिला। वीडियोटी पूरा देखिबे ताले आपण माने जानि परिबे बहुत पिक्चर रामायण महाभारत रे आपण माने एई सब सेट देखिचंती। रामोजी फिल्म सिटी श्री रामोजी राव तेलुगु फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर जे कि सबु बेले चाहुतिले हॉलीवुड रो यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो परी एठारे मध्य से तयारी करिवे। बहुत वर्ष लागिला किंतु से तांको स्वप्न साकार आज करि पारछंती। 2000 एकर पाखापाखि लैंड अछि। 1996 रे ये हेथिला गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स मिलची वर्ल्ड रो लार्जेस्ट स्टूडियो कॉम्प्लेक्स पई बहुत टूरिस्ट एटाकू आसी थांती। रामोजी फिल्म स्टूडियो हैदराबाद रे अछि। डायरेक्ट किंबा ऑनलाइन टिकट आपण माने बुक कर पारबे। 1350 रुपीस एडल्ट मानक पई, 1150 रुपीस चाइल्ड मानक पई, किंतु तापरे जीएसटी मध्ये अछि। नॉन एसी बस अछि। रामोजी स्टार विजिट पैकेज अलगा अछि। आमे गला वाले ये स्टार पैकेज नथिला, वर्तमान खराब एसी हेलानी स्टार्ट हे जाइथिबो। सेतिरे एसी कोच लंच और इवनिंग टी थाए। टिकट प्राइस अधिका अछि, 3000 ऊपर अछि, जीएसटी ता ऊपर अछि। डिफेंस पर्सन को नॉर्मल टूर रे डिस्काउंट अछि किंतु स्टार टूर रे नहीं। मोर हिसाब रे खरा दिने स्टार पैकेज नहीं की जिबे किंतु बाकी दिन रे नॉर्मल पैकेज बहुत कंफर्टेबल थाए। गाड़ी पार्क कला परे पार्किंग साइड रे टिकट बूथ थिला। स्टूडेंट मानन को स्पेशल कंसेशन अछि। टिकट नहीं साला परे बस कंटिन्यूअसली चली थाए। आपण माने बस रे बसिले रामोजी स्टूडियो रे पहुंची जिबे। तापरे बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे रे प्लानिंग करा जायछि फुल डे विजिट।
So right now we are going for a film city sightseeing to enjoy the beautiful gardens, mountains, and also film setting sets like Bahubali set. So are you all ready for Bahubali? Yes. Okay, so right now we are in Eureka. So this location is known as the Eureka. Eureka is your tour starting point and also your tour ending point. And again from here you can see on the right side, here is one big blue face is there. This is called Pandustan. So inside this Pandustan we have the Borasura, the magician workshop, and also Doom Theater is also there. And I can see on the left side again we have the RMM, Ramoji Movie Magic. So in Ramoji Movie Magic we have 3 attractions: Filmi Dunia, Space Yatra, and Action Theater. And also there is a so-called light camera action is also there. So after you have completed your studio tour, you can also enjoy those attractions and shows at RMM. And you can see on the right side again we have the 2-in-1 gardens. So from the outside it looks like the Delhi Mughal gardens, and from the inside it looks like the Vrindavan of Mysore gardens. And also this garden are used for pre-wedding shot and also for destination marriage only. This is the 2-in-1 garden. And you can see on the left side, this garden is known as the Ciara garden. And also you can see this garden in Dirty Picture song "Oh La La Tu Hi Meri Fantasy." That song was also shot in this garden. And also Telugu movie Julai Oh Madhu, that song was also shot in this garden. And now see again on the right side, again we have a fountain is here. So this fountain is known as the Angel Fountain. The highest fountain in Ramoji Film City. Design is also in Greek architectures. You can also see in On the Best movie. On the Best movie was also shot in this location. And you can see on the left side again we have the Limelight Garden. And also Oh Nadan Barin, this song of the Rockstar movie. That song was also shot inside this black stage. See, inside this black stage, that song was also shot. And also inside this Limelight Gardens, many corporate events, birthday parties, marriage ceremonies were also organized inside this Limelight Gardens. And 2000 is the seating capacities inside this Limelight Gardens. And again from here, see on the left side top, again we have the Hawa Mahal of Rajasthan. The interior design is the replica of the Jaipur Hawa Mahal. And from there you can also see 50% of the Ramoji Film City, because this is the highest point in Ramoji Film City. And I can see on the left side followed by the Palm Estate of Kerala. That is the Palm Estate of Kerala. And I can see on the left side again we have the Round Garden. This Round Garden is known as the Charisma Garden. And also this Charisma Garden has unique specialities. During shooting times there will be flowers available inside this Charisma Garden, and those flowers will change in colors according to the saris the heroine wear. So if the heroine wear the red sari, then the flower will also change to red flowers, yellow sari, yellow flowers, heroine-oriented gardens. And like I can see on the left side, you can also see this fountain in Chris movie 3. There is one song, God, Allah, or Bhagavan. In that song, this fountain was replaced by Hrithik Roshan statue. Yes. And I can see on the right side, again we have the multi-purpose building. You can also see this building in Chandramukhi movie as the Venkatapura Palace, Laka building. Yes. And also in Surabhamsam and Sarkaras movie has the Amitabh Bachchan Haveli. And again from here on the right side, so again we have that temple is there, white temple. That temple is the Minamar temple in Chennai Express movie, yes. In Chennai Express movie, that is the Minamar temple, yes, right. And also in that movie, Sarukal lived Deepika protocol in 300 steps, right. So on the right side. In Ramoji Film City, we only have 40 steps, but in that movie, they are showing 300 steps. And again from here, see on the left side again we have the 2-in-1 elevation temple, Gurudwara and Golden Temple. So after painting white colors, it shows as the Gurudwara, and after painting gold colors, it will look like the Golden Temple of Amritsar. See on the left side. So Rab ne bana de jodi, hole hole ho jayega pyar. That song was also shot in this Gurudwara. See on the left side. And now on the left side again we have the North India location. So this is the North India location in Ramoji Film City, and also all these buildings are not original buildings. These buildings are made of plaster of Paris and plywood. These buildings are only for the purpose of shooting only. These are not original buildings. And again from here on the left side again we have the Dasman and Margin. On the left side, after painting white color, Dasman, and after painting green color, Margin. And again from here on the left side, this is the typical Bengali houses. Double movie was also shot in this building, see on the left side. And again see on the left side again we have the 3 flexible houses. The second house you can see in Dilwale movie has the heroine house, and the last house you can see in Jehu movie. Jehu movie was also shot in this building. And again see on the right side, this is the ladies central zone. See on the right side, this is the ladies central zone, and also this building has 2 elevations. From the outside ladies central zone, and the inside of this ladies central zone is there is also a beauty parlor is also there inside this central zone. And you can see on the left side, you can see this building in Singambritan police station. This is the Singambritan police station. Yes. See on the left side, and also the Lugu movie Kabarshim police station. That building. And like North India location, this building are also not original buildings. This building are also made of plaster of Paris and plywood. And I can see on the left side, this building you can see in Dilwale movie has the Shah Rukh Khan garage. And again on the left side, you can see this building in Chandramukhi movie has the Kunal Shekhar Dance Master House. Yes, Kunal Shekhar House on the left side. And now see on the left and right side, this location is known as the typical typical South India location. And also you can see this location in Bahubali 1, Chennai Express, and also in Pushpa movie. So during shooting times, the director take only the front part of this building, and the inside of this building are shot in the small shooting floors. So in your third connecting tour, you can also see the small shooting floors, because your third connecting tours will take you to India, small shooting floor. And again from here, see on the right side, again we have the corporate buildings of Ramoji Film City. These are the actual 100% original buildings, and the first building is the EDV Bharat. EDV Bharat is a digital news apps, and also it is available in 28 states and 30 languages. And the second building is the Usagiran Movies Private Limited. And from here you can see the last white building. The last white building is the Inadu newspaper building. So in circulation also, it is the second largest regional newspaper in India. Of this was started in 1992, and in 1996, the first Telugu movie shot in this location was the Ma Nanaku Beli was the first Telugu movie, and the first Hindi movie shot in this location was the Baremia Chotemia was the first Hindi movie, and the first English movie was the Nightfall was the first English movie. And also in 1998, tourism was started in Ramoji Film City, and in 2008, Ramoji Film City got the Guinness World Record certificate for being one of the world's largest film lakes. And the total land area covered by Ramoji Film City is 1,666 acres. And also in our starting from Eureka, we have 2 main shows are here. The first one is the Spirit of Ramoji, and the second one is 4:45 will be the last show for Wild West Show. And also by 5:30 again we have the closing ceremony at Eureka. you can also guess that closing ceremony by 5:30 and our starting point Eureka. There is also four complimentary rides are also there at Eureka. Carousel, break dance, frisbee costa, and dancer are also there at our starting point Eureka. You can also enjoy those complimentary rides after you have completed your studio tour. And now, without committing any crime, so everyone welcome to Central Zen. So we are going to Central Zen.
Central Jail.
And also from here you can see the interrogation cell is there, hanging cell is also there, and the finance maintenance cell is also there. So during shooting time, this statue are all replaced by the actual actor electronics. Again from here, see on the right side, you can see this building in Terena movie has the Salman Khan Mental Hospital. See, this is the Salman Khan Mental Hospital on the right side. And also movies like CIT Musa, DJ Dillu, Madras Cafe, Sanju 2020, Chinatown, Rockstar, they are also inside the Central Jail. The upcoming Prabhas movie, Salar, that movie was also shot inside the Central Jail. And if you want to experience some adventures activities, just land is here. So in Sahas, we have 18 activities. 5 are complimentary activities for you, and also 4 are complimentary activities for children. After Bahubali said there will be another bus available, that bus will be. We have 10 big shooting floors, 7 are non-AC, 3 are AC. And also movies like Triple R, KGF, Puspa, Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, Sigaz, The Post, Robo, they are all shot inside these big shooting floors. And in Bahubali 1, there is one waterfall set is there. That waterfall set was also shot inside this big shooting floor. See on the left side, have you all watched?
फर्स्ट पार्ट थिला माइथोलॉजिकल सेट बस आमको ए सेट रे छाड़ीदेला रामायण महाभारत और बहुत माइथोलॉजिकल सीरियल एटारे शूटिंग हेची सेट रे सब आपण देखुथिबे एटारे डमी रखिचंती शूटिंग बेले याको हटे दे थांती ओरिजिनल लोक सब बसी थांती एंट्रांस और एग्जिट सबु सेट रे थाए एग्जिट गेट पाखरे स्पेशल टूर बस थाए सेतिरे बसी पुणी नेक्स्ट सेट को आपण माने जिबे बहुत चलवा को पड़ी थाए सेतिपाई कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस और शूज पिंधि थिबे सबु सेट रे रिफ्रेशमेंट पाई रेस्टोरेंट मध्य थाए सेतिपाई बेसी असुविधा न थाए तथापि पानी पाखरे निश्चय रखिथिबे ये देखंतु रेलवे स्टेशन पूरा रियल लागुछि सेठी अनाउंसमेंट मध्य चली थाए रेलवे स्टेशन रे जेमती अनाउंसमेंट हुए मु नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे बाहुबली रो सेट देखेबी Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay healthy and happy.